Hello everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of body language, and trust me, it's more than just standing up straight or a firm handshake. Did you know that your body could be saying 1,000 words before you even speak? That's right, let's crack the code together. First off, let's talk about the power stance. Standing with your feet apart and hands on hips isn't just for superheroes. This pose screams confidence. So the next time you're feeling a bit down before a big meeting, strike a power pose in front of the mirror and watch your confidence soar. Moving on. Have you ever noticed someone touching their neck during a conversation? They might not just be fixing their tie or adjusting a necklace. This gesture often signals discomfort or insecurity. Interesting, isn't it? Now let's talk about the famous crossed arms. It's a classic, isn't it? While many think it's just a comfy way to stand, it often acts as a barrier, showing that someone might be closed off or defensive. So, the next time you're chatting, try to keep those arms uncrossed. And what about those genuine smiles? A real smile, or what we call the Duchenne smile, lights up the whole face, crinkling the eyes and showing those pearly whites. It's a clear sign of genuine happiness or approval, but a tight-lipped smile, that might just be politeness. Or they didn't really find your joke funny. Oops, so there you have it. Whether you're deciphering the signals or sending them, understanding body language helps you communicate more effectively and connect with others on a deeper level. Remember, while words are powerful, the silent language of our bodies often speaks the loudest. So keep your eyes peeled and happy decoding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the quirks of human behavior. Cheerio!